Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting immediately. Check your Oppo model and color OS version in About Phone so options match. Once done, turn off battery saver and any low-power profiles because they throttle always on display brightness. Next, plug the phone into power if available to avoid adaptive limits, and open settings, then go straight to display and brightness or lock screen and always on display to access the AOD controls. You'll now change the AOD parameters. Enable always on display and pick a style with higher ambient illumination. Then locate the AOD brightness slider or the boost/high brightness option and increase it. On some color OS builds this lives inside lock screen settings. Make sure adaptive dimming or scheduled AOD times aren't lowering brightness. If so, disable or adjust them. Also add the home screen or finish by rebooting the device so the new always on display brightness takes effect. Then verify it in different lighting conditions to confirm visibility. If brightness remains low, update color OS and system UI, clear the relevant cache, and recheck battery optimization rules. Make sure third-party themes or screen protectors aren't forcing low output. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing helps, temporarily disable power saving, revert to a default AOD style, and reapply the brighter setting before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.